Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You can come in a little bit more, there you go. Oh no, out, because now you lost the top. Okay, I'll bring it down a bit more here. So, you see before your piece of MDF, which is 9 by 20 inches or 23 by 50 centimetres. And nothing on it, of course, you can see that. I'm just getting one of these. I'm just getting one of these. When I go to tip this off, I'll tip it onto that rather than... Now, do I still have you in focus? Yep. Okay. So, what am I doing? I'm going to get another cup. Stop that knocking, please. That dog's scratching itself. I don't know why he's scratching. You think he has fleas, but he doesn't. Alright, so I'm going to be using white, black, apple red and cobalt blue. And there's a bit of silicone in the red and the blue. So I'm just pouring a generous amount of white. Actually, there's no OGX in that blue, so let me have a look. Just give him a couple of bits. And he can have a little soft one. He should be right now. Okay, so where was I? With the white. Okay, now a smidgen of black. I don't want a ton of black in here. Some red or white. And blue. Very nice. Smidgen of black. Smidgen of white. I just about have enough here. And that will do. I'll see how we go. Alright, so I just want to pour this straight out. Ooh, that's nice. Put a bit of white, I think, around here and here. Bring it down a bit. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below the video under Show More. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. Let's got that in. Starting to run, which I like. I like it. Could have been a bit more generous with the white up this end, I guess. Not to worry, we'll sort it out. Right. And now I'm just going to bring him down to see what we have. As you can see, didn't put a lot of black in, but that looks all right. The red's coming through on the black, which I quite like. Ooh, that's nice too, isn't it? I just did one on one of these boards and it turned out just as pretty as this one. I'm going to bring it back and let the black be up the top there a bit. Where's the top? This way. Goes around this way. Alright. So, this here's the top. And, or this black end could be the top. I like that. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe my hands on this cloth wherever I put it. Goodness, over there of course. I'll rinse my hands off them while I'm here to torch it. Really is quite pretty. So torch, I said. Some lovely cells here. That's really pretty. So I'll bring you down to take a look. And yeah, it's just been a good day today, I think. So this is what I've been looking at, and that's the way it'll go on the wall, only because it has a clip at the back. When it goes into the frame, you just hook the whole lot up. So, as you can see, nice cells, pretty colours. The red and white have made pink, and then there's a couple of different shades of blue, which is rather nice. I'm quite happy with this one. So if you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate that when you give it a thumbs up, and that's really pretty. Alright, and I'll catch you in the next one. And thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.